Next, we're going to look at example 2. Determine the reaction at the support at A and B of the overhanging beam, then draw the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. This question asks you untuk lukis je SFT and BMD without the need to identify the maximum value. And this question almost similar with the example number 1, except that this is overhanging beam. Bukan simply supported macam tadi. Okay, yang hujungnya support. Okay, ni hujung support, this is simply supported. This one adalah overhanging beam. So overhanging beam means that the beam extend beyond the support. Terlebih ke contohnya kiri atau kanan ni lah. The first thing kita kena identify the type of support and the load itself. Load semuanya adalah point load, concentrated load. Okay, and for the support, this is hinge ataupun pin, and this another one is roller, which means that kita boleh draw kat sini to get the reaction. Okay, at 2 meter here, we have 1. Okay, kita kena namakan dia lah. Dia tak nama A and B. So tak letak, tapi kita kena letak lah A and B here. So ini A and the other side is B. Dia ada support. So untuk pin support, we know that akan ada R, A, Y. And the other one will be R, A, X. And for B, is going to be only RBY. Okay, sebab depends pada jenis support. Roller hanya ada pada Y direction sahaja the reaction, and for pin only Y and X direction. Okay, moment dua-dua tak ada. Kita nak cari the reaction first. We going to take moment dekat, as usual I take dekat A lah. The reason I already explained before. So nak take moment, kita akan tengok mana arah jam dengan arah lawan jam. RBY and 10 kN, whereas that 24 kN and 15 kN adalah arah jam. Kita buat apa? Kita buat arah jam dulu, which means yang warna merah tu, semua yang I buat garisan warna merah tu. Okay, so we have that 24 kN darab nak ke A adalah 4 meter distance. Okay, ini adalah moment equation, plus 15 kN times with 10 meter, right, the distance. Dan yang arah lawan jam, we have yang warna hijau. Okay, so 10 kN darab 2 meter plus with another one RBY darab dengan the distance to A, which is 7 meter. That is the moment equation. Right, so kita solve this one. Here you will get 246 kilonewton meter equal to 20 kilonewton meter plus RBY darab 7 meter. RBY darab 7 meter, kita solvekan this one. It is equal to 226 kilonewton meter, and RBY is equal to 32.286. Okay, next, okay, kita boleh cari RAY ataupun RAX. Okay, I nak cari RAY dulu, never mind. So, kita buat total force arah Y is equal to 0, force going up equal to force going down. So, kita akan tengok mana satu force yang naik ke atas. We have RAY and RBY. Where else force yang going down is 10 kilonewton, 24 kilonewton and 15 kilonewton. So kita boleh masukkan, kita tulis RAY yang naik ke atas dulu plus RBY equal to yang turun bawah 10 kilonewton yang highlight biru tu plus 24 kilonewton plus 15 kilonewton. Masukkanlah, we already have the value of RBY which is 32.286 kilonewton equal to 49 kilonewton. Next, we will get the value for RAY equal to 16.714 kilonewton. Siaplah on the force RY, and we also have another one which is force R of X equal to 0 juga totalnya. Okay, going to the right will be equal to force going to the left, and we have only one force which is RAX here. We don't have any other horizontal or lateral force to be included in the equation, so we just write RAX is equal to 0. Then we are done. But first we need to letakkanlah berapa reaction, okay, at point A and point B. So kita tahu the RAX is 0, you don't need to write it, tak apa, biar je, okay. And RAY is 16.714 while the RBY is 32.286 going up. Right, then we can draw the SFD and BMD based on apa yang kita dapat kat sini, but let's not forget to do the line here. So ambil kat mana yang ada forces to construct the line. Okay, so SFD and BMD sama je macam cara sebelum ni. So ini kosong dan kosong. First, macam mana pun the SFD will start ke dekat kosong. And at the same point, yang ada 10 kilonewton tu, dia turun ke bawah sebanyak 10, which is negative 10. Dan tak ada loading at all for 2 meter, dia akan go straight. Next, you will see there is 16.714. The force is going up. Jadi, negative 10 campur 16.714 will be equal to 6.714 at this point. Next, there is no force. So, kita akan go straight. Kita jumpa 24 going down. 6.714 minus 24. Then you will get negative 17.286. Next, there is no loading for the whole 3 meter. So go straight saja. And you will reach point B where there is a force going up as much as 32.286. So negative 17.286 plus 32.286, which you will get the positive value of 15. Then there is no load at all ataupun no force for this 3 meter. Okay, and when you reach the end of the beam, there is another load 15 kilonewton going down, which means dia akan turun ke bawah. 15 tolak 15 akan jadi balik kosong. Equilibrium will always start with 0 and end with 0. Okay, next we're going to do the BMD. As usual, kita akan pakai the same method, which is method area ni lah. which is according to yang I highlightkan ni semua. So I'm going to label this one. Ini 1, 2, 3 and 4 as the area. So I cari area 1. So for area 1, kita tengok the height ataupun force dia adalah negatif 10. Dan kita akan darab dengan the length ataupun the width ataupun panjang dia, which is 2 meter. You will get negative 20 kilonewton meter. For number 2, area 6.714 as the height ataupun the force, and the width is 4 meter. Okay, ataupun dia punya length lah. 26.856. For area 3, negative 17.286 as the height ataupun the force, and the length ataupun width dia adalah 3 meter. Therefore, area, kalau kita kira area, you will get negative 51.858 kilonewton meter. And for number 4, the height ataupun the force is 15 kilonewton. Okay. And the length ataupun the width adalah 3 meter. So darab dengan 3 meter. You will get 45 kilonewton meter. Okay, so kita bolehlah construct our bending moment diagram. So how we going to do this? Kita akan start macam mana pun dekat kosong. Then kita akan tengok the first area. Okay, first area-nya adalah negative 20. So negative 20 ni bila end of the first area tu baru kita label dekat garisan tu Kan kita tengah kira area number 1. So garisan kuning selepas area number 1. Which is negatif 20 kat mana? So inilah garisan kuning dia. Negatif 20 letak kat bawah lah. Right. So garisan dia akan jadi like straight but slanted like this. Next, we have another, the second area, which is positive 26.856, which means that negative 20 tambah 26.856. Kita campur. So campur, dia akan jadi positif 6.856. Slanted like this. And after that, we're going to see after the area 3. So area 3 is negative 56.856, which means that 6.856 minus 51.856. That you will get negative 45.002. And for area 4, it is positive 45, meaning negative 45.002 plus 45, then you will get some value at negative 0.002. Okay. Kan negatif 45.002 campur dengan 45. So you dah akan dapat negatif 0.002, which is almost kosong. Okay, so kita akan anggap dia macam kosong lah. Okay, sebab kenapa dia tak tepat-tepat kosong? Sebab masa kita kira for RAY, RBY ni, actually RBY lah. Sebab kita kira RBY, kita ada round up ataupun round down ataupun value dia bukan tepat-tepat Sebab kalau kita ikut masa kita kira 2 to 6 bahagi 7, kalau kita exactly kira betul-betul macam dalam calculator, we will get more precise value. But since kita ada round up, round off for 3 decimal places, then that's why value yang bila kita kira ni tak betul-betul tepat. That's why I minta 3 decimal places. Kalau I minta 2 decimal places, mungkin value dia akan lebih lagi tak tepat. tepat. Okay, so lebih banyak decimal places yang kita pakai sebenarnya akan lebih tepat lah. Kita akan anggap dia dah berakhir dengan kosong, which means betul lah. Siap lah. Okay, our example number 2, which is this is the final answer, the SFD and BMD. So kalau you buat this label betul-betul, don't miss out the value yang sepatutnya ada, especially bila there is a changes in the, contohnya macam 6 dekat SFD ni ada negatif 10, 6.714, negatif 17.86, ada 15, dan kena label untuk setiap satu tu, jangan ada yang tertinggal. Kalau tertinggal, there is no marks, even kalau you draw betul sekalipun tapi tak ada value, salah Alright. Okay, that's all for this class, this recorded video. Thank you so much everyone and have a nice day. Bye guys.